You've put in a lot of thought about making the perfect TikTok, or maybe you haven't. As long as it's good content, the method doesn't matter. But how do you get more eyes on your video? Your existing audience will probably see your content, but don't underestimate the potential of a good hashtag. Hey everyone, it's Talish. We're gonna talk about how great hashtags can up your TikTok game. We're also gonna tell you how to see if your TikTok strategy is working by diving into analytics. But first, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. And while you're at it, hit that little bell icon. That way you'll know when we've got new stuff out. Now let's get to it. With the right hashtag, your content has a chance to reach a much wider audience. People rely on hashtags to find the content they're interested in. A solid strategy will make your content much easier to discover, and using the right hashtag for your niche will help you grow organically. Think of hashtags like networking. They connect people with similar interests. For example, hashtags business talk, print on demand, and brand talk connect entrepreneurs, owners, and other professionals so that experiences, tips, and advice can be shared. When it comes to finding the right hashtags, don't just randomly pick. Make sure it's relevant to your content. Including trending hashtags like #for_you and #trending can be good, but it's more important to use niche-specific hashtags. That way your video will better match the preferences of the TikTokers who come across it. Start by exploring and discovering similar topics and keywords in the search bar. Check out the hashtag section and see which ones have high view counts and get a lot of traction, but that are also applicable to your content. An ideal situation would be a recognizable branded hashtag. Come up with your own hashtags and promote them with branded hashtag challenges or contests to get audience engagement and boost your brand visibility. Challenge viewers to flaunt a talent, throw a dance move, or show off how they use a product. As an example, let's say your store Cool Collars sells dog collars. Challenge your audience's good boys and girls to a doggo fashion show. Come up with a creative name and a hashtag for the challenge like the Cool Collars Dog Catwalk. See what I did there? Hashtag Cool Collars Dog or Dog Catwalk. Just keep in mind that it'll take a bit of time for a new custom hashtag to catch on. And lastly, take advantage of the TikTok Creative Center, where you can track trending and relevant hashtags, and filter by famous TikTok users or top hashtags based on the industry and time. After you've created an awesome video with the perfect hashtags, it's time to get an idea of how well your content does. By understanding your data, you'll be able to better know what your audience likes, how well certain content performs, and then decide what type of content to create going forward. You don't even need to have a business account to see basic analytics. Even this data alone could be enough for your purposes. You'll get information about page views, likes, comments, shares, audience by gender and location, follower growth rate, as well as peak times of your audience. A business account, though, does have its perks. It's easy to set up, it's free, you're able to promote your website, and you'll get access to TikTok's analytics tool. Using the TikTok analytics tool, you'll be able to track and measure not only overall engagement, but also see content analytics for specific video, measure weekly and monthly growth, learn about demographic, and see insight for any live videos you've hosted. Let's break down the 4 categories of analytics: overview, content, followers, and live. Under the Overview tab, you can see overall engagement during a certain period of time. So the number of views, likes, comments, and shares, as well as the number of followers and the number of videos posted compared to a previous date range. The Content tab shows which videos have been most popular for a selected period of time. Here you can see metrics for each post. You'll see the basics like total views, likes, comments, and shares, but also how long people watched your videos, which can give you insight about how successfully you were able to hold the viewer's attention. You can also see how people found your post, whether it was through their For You feed, your profile hashtags, or a search. And you'll be able to see the top location of viewers for a specific post. This is good info if you had a marketing campaign for a specific location. The Follower tab helps you learn about your audience, gender location, when your viewers are active, as well as other content your followers like. You'll find that content which is popular with your audience might also give you some content ideas as well. Maybe you'll even come across some other creators for potential collabs. Lastly, if you've hosted any live sessions within the last week or month, you'll be able to see how many people watched, the time you spent live, and if you've got any new followers. If you happen to get any diamonds, which is a virtual gift viewers can send you in exchange for real money, you'll see that here too. All in all, there isn't a single metric that's more important to track over another. It's better to look at the big picture of how your videos perform over time. Successful TikTokers produce a lot of content and experiment so that when they find a video that works, they can repeat that formula. They read the comments to see what people loved and then do it again. So our last piece of advice to you is experiment, learn, and have fun. And be sure to follow Printify on TikTok so we can grow together. Of course, give us a like and subscribe to our channel here as well for more advice on how to build your brand.